In today's video, I'm going to be getting the rest of the family room cleared up and packed away for our final push on the way to retirement full-time in Florida. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and if this is your first time here, I would love to welcome you. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you return as a family member. My name is Courtney and I love to decorate, DIY, thrifting, shopping hauls, everything lifestyle, honey. This is your one-stop shop for all of your lifestyle needs. And if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. But today we're not decorating. No, honey, no. We are undecorating, and that's a new one for me. So let's get everything taken down and get to work. And this is how I'm doing my sort. I have a big box here for Jackie, and this is going to go to Brooklyn. These are the things that I'm taking to Florida, and I'm sure there'll be more. There's some artwork and some other things back here. I have a donate bin, and those curtain rods are also going to donate, and then garbage. I was just opening this package and I said, let me turn on the camera again. These I ordered off of Amazon. I had 2 boxes, half of which I used in the first move, and these I like to pack the pillows in. So I'm gonna do that right now. We were going to keep the house in Pennsylvania for a few more years and rent it out. But in the end, we decided to sell and just get rid of it so we wouldn't have to keep coming back to Pennsylvania. So today I am packing up the remainder of everything in the room. So I invite you to join me and get motivated. Clean with me, pack with me, whatever you're doing. Do it with me. And I thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Now let's get it. Let's go. Today's video is in collaboration with my beautiful sisters of the Home Decor Luxe Club. This is our annual Bling on the Fall closed collaboration, a seasonal collaboration hosted by our main host, the beautiful Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living. So please join us every Friday at 6 p.m. for some awesome motivation and inspiration with the Home Decor Luxe Club. And I still have to clean this little bit here, and this is cleaned up. So I have here one partially filled box on Florida. All of these kids' toys and educational items are all donated. Here I have old VCRs, old game consoles, old karaoke machine. All of that is going. I haven't used it in years. And here I have a box of all educational materials, and this small box here is miscellaneous. So there it is. Let me clean out this last area and I'll be back. So this is what it's looking like. This room is completely clear, and I didn't show you, but I was able to sell all of the furniture, and what I have in this corner is going to Florida. Eating kitchen area. Completely clear. In the living room. Sorry, there's no overhead lighting in this room, but as you can see, Everything is cleared. All of the walls have been refreshed. The nail holes have been spackled and the paint has been touched up. All of the trim, he did all of the trim in the entire house and cleaned the windows, and everything is nice and fresh here. I was feeling a little nostalgic, so I thought I'd show you some of the things I love in the Pocono Mountains, and that includes the deer. This is right outside my patio. I am sitting on the patio filming the deer, and they are wonderful. Now let's take a trip over to my old house. Lived there for 11 years before we moved here.
This, y'all, 11 years, right here, 11 years, snow and all, hella fire ride down the hill.
I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you inspiration. Please be sure to tune in every Friday at 6 p.m. this month of August for the Home Decor Luxe Club's annual close collab, Bling on the Fall. And I'll see you next Friday. Thank you for watching.